Today we are at Lucky Fish and this is our beautiful view. Say hello to Daniel. He's back from Canada for a couple of days. He's not saying hi. Oh, there he goes. Now he says hi. For lunch, we have pineapple jerk chicken, wings, one bite. Here you go. Cheers. A little different, but they're good. I also got the shrimp tacos. One bite. Here you go. They're really good. The cloud is gonna light up. Watch. So after that epic lightning show, I am on my way to Target. I have a couple errands to run. Daniel's in the post office. He has to mail some stuff to himself. So come along with us. My van is still a mess, but I guess living in a small space, it will always be a mess. Just got out of Target, got my strawberry lemonade. Delicious, took my dress back, and now we're on our way to IKEA.
Everywhere I go, beauty finds its way in the little things of every day. A fleeting smile, the endless blue. Life feels better when shared with you.
Daniel said it smells too good in here. It smells like dessert in IKEA. For lunch, we have Swedish meatballs with cranberry juice and peas and mashed potatoes. One bite, here you go. Delicious. So we are out of Home Depot. Now we are on our way to Embark Steakhouse. I mean, we're out of IKEA. Then we went to Home Depot, which took like an hour and 20 minutes in Home Depot. A long story. But now we're on our way to go eat dinner out at Embark Steak. I take that back. We're going to LongHorn, not Outback Steakhouse.
They figure there's less of a wind here than
For drinks, Dan got a Blue Moon and I got a bottle of wine. You want to sip? Here you go. Cheers.
You trying to get free hair products?
Happy birthday to Daniel. It was his birthday. This is my plate. Daniel got shrimps and double broccoli. And he got steak, too. After a delicious dinner, we are on our way home so we can go to sleep.
On a brand new pillow.
On a brand new pillow that Dan got from IKEA. We will talk to you tomorrow morning. The streets are flooded because of the rain.
Wait, it's not morning already. See you in the morning.
I know, I told you I'll see you in the morning, but like, look how flooded these streets are. The joys of living in Florida. So it's the next day and we decided to ride our bikes to the beach. Not really our bikes, it's our scooters. Our moped, motorcycles, whatever you like to call them. It's so pretty. Look how pretty this water is. You want to see how clear it is? That's how clear the water is. It's such a lovely day. There's like barely anybody on the beach. The water's clear. It's nice out. Just got done. Now I have to rinse off my feet and head back. You see the little creature? Just got back from the beach and Daniel's putting a sponge in my chest. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to like and subscribe.